can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll take a look at an altcoin Uniswap with a market cap of $3.6 billion. Uniswap currently trades around the $6 level. In the last 1 month, Uniswap has rallied up by 22.5%. The last 1 year has seen Uniswap dump by 46.2%. In this video, we'll take a look at Uniswap's performance against the US dollar, Uniswap's performance against Bitcoin, Uniswap's performance against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Uniswap's market cap. Can Uniswap's market cap get to as high as $10 billion before the rally is over? Should we be expecting that alt-season pump? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Uniswap currently trading around the $6 level, has a 24-hour trading volume of more than $356 million. With a fully diluted market cap sitting at around $6 billion for Uniswap. We saw Uniswap all-time high coming in on the 3rd of May 2021. 4 years ago, Uniswap traded for as high as $44.97 right now. Uniswap is down 86% from that all-time highs. Uniswap all-time low happened on the 17th of September 2020, trading for as low as $0.41. If you take a look at Uniswap's performance against the US dollar, 2021 Uniswap was a place to be. We saw Uniswap rallying from as high as $0.52, getting to an all-time high of more than $45 in 231 days. Uniswap went up by more than 8,500%. $1,000 invested in Uniswap, guys, would have given you more than $85,000 in profit. That's what happens when the market is very, very bullish. When the market gets bearish, guys, we see the market giving back most of those gains. That's what happened for Uniswap, losing around 92% of its value. Finding the bottom in June of 2022, Uniswap went from as high as $45 to as low as $3.2. That's what can happen in the altcoin market. Things can move very, very quickly. A coin you once thought was shooting to the moon, you see it aggressively dumping to Goblin Town. Since then, Uniswap has been moving sideways. Since then, Uniswap has been consolidating, because currently Uniswap is trading where it was trading in May of 2022. What a very long consolidation period. Uniswap has been consolidating for more than 1,120 days. At some point in time, we're going to see that big pump, but only time can predict exactly when that pump will come. We saw Uniswap making some attempts to rally out of that range. Minister made an attempt in February of 2024, getting to as high as $15. In that $15 rally, Uniswap had gone up by more than 300%. That rally eventually failed. We saw another rally deep in 2024, Uniswap went from the $4.77 level, getting to as high as the $18 region. That was another 300% rally, which eventually failed. So maybe, just maybe, third time is the charm for Uniswap. Maybe, just maybe, the next time Uniswap pump, we should be watching out for that 300% profit level. From where Uniswap is currently trading right now, for us to get above the $19 level, which is the highest level we have gone since the bull market ended in 2021. Uniswap trading at $6 level. For us to rally above $18, we have to see a 200% pump. For us to get above all-time highs, Uniswap will have to give us more than a 600% pump from where we're currently trading. Is that possible? Guys, that's very possible, and that can happen very, very quickly. That's how altcoins move. The altcoin market can be very, very volatile. Take a look at what Uniswap did in the previous bull market. It looked like Uniswap was not going anywhere, but the final phases of the bull market is where Uniswap made the most gains. So don't sleep on Uniswap. Let's take a look at some details about Uniswap. If you want to buy some Uniswap, you can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. You might be wondering, what's all the fuss about Uniswap? Why is Uniswap so important in the cryptocurrency market? Uniswap is a popular decentralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized tokens. If you have bought a meme coin on Ethereum, if you have been trading meme coins on Ethereum, you have probably used Uniswap. Uniswap is the #1 tool for those activities on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, if you look at Uniswap's performance against Bitcoin, it's nothing to write home about. Uniswap has been dumping to Goblin Town since the bull market ended in 2021 against Bitcoin. Since May of 2021, Uniswap has had a very terrible time against Bitcoin, dropping to new all-time lows. In 2025, Uniswap is down 94% from its all-time highs against Bitcoin. That's normal to see. That's what happens regularly in the altcoin market. But these altcoins can be very, very dangerous. A lot of market participants would have been shorting them over the last 2 years, over the last 3 years. And that's why you don't want to be one of those people shorting the altcoin market, because the bull market always ends with a bull run. And right now, I'll not be shocked to see Uniswap make an attempt to rally up against Bitcoin. With Bitcoin trading at all-time highs, with Uniswap still languishing around the $6 level, we might easily see Uniswap make a huge move to end the bull market cycle, maybe even getting to as high as 500% on its Bitcoin pairing. Historically, all coins pump in the final phases of the bull market against both Bitcoin and against Ethereum. That's why I'll be laying special eyes on Uniswap's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they see a rally, and that rally can come very, very quickly. That rally can come in the next few days, in the next few weeks. I'll not be shocked to see Uniswap outperforming Ethereum, breaking out of this 2 years plus range. The last time we saw Uniswap trading above this range was in November of 2021. That's even a 4 years plus range. I believe that breakout for Uniswap will be violent. That breakout for Uniswap will see it outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the final phases of the market cycle. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has been increasing, so be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated before the main party starts. But the last 24 hours, I've seen a huge liquidations. We've seen a lot of market participants that are betting on altcoin season start licking their wounds because the altcoin market has been tanking. But guys, watch out for that final pump. I'm sure Uniswap will partake in it. Historically, meme coins are always pumped at the end of a market cycle. I don't think this time is different. If you look at Uniswap's market cap, which is around the $3.7 billion level, the highest we have gone since 2021 has been around the $11 billion level. That's where Uniswap got to in November of 2024. Maybe, just maybe, we can go above that. For us to go above that, guys, will require a lot of work. For Uniswap to get to new all-time highs on its market cap chart will require more than the 530% pump to the upside. It's very, very possible. It can happen very, very quickly, but fingers crossed. Your number one job in this market is to buy low, is to sell high, is to buy when there's fear, and to sell when there is greed. Right now, there's some little fear in the cryptocurrency market. Historically, that's been a good time to buy, but remember, guys, when market participants start singing kumbaya, when everybody feels like they're going to get rich overnight, that's when you want to sell for some sweet profit. So drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying some Uniswap right now? Do you believe in the long-term future of Uniswap? How high do you see it going in the coming days and the coming week? Can we rally above the $18 level? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth. Nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.